for my baby. Gxlden.Chvld.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, the Golden Child, and we're back with another video. For you guys today, I'm going to do a cotton candy smoky eye. And you guys see me showing you my flat twists because I just learned how to do them, and as a natural, you know, that was like big ups to me. I was really excited about it. But I did my eyebrows, and I put on my under eye concealer eyeshadow base. And we are going to start with a light pink color. Shout out also to Sally and Gavin for the name of this eye look. But back to this light pink, we're going to pack in. I'm taking my favorite blending brush, and we're going to blend that all around as our transition color. We're going to pack it on very heavily so it can be very vibrant. I blended it in a lot, guys. You want to blend everything a lot so it's very seamless. Now I'm going to take another fluffy blending brush and go in with that purple you guys see here. And we are also going to pack in this purple very heavily against that pink, and we're going to blend that out a lot so they kind of fade into each other. There's lots of blending that's cut out of this video because this whole eye look took super long because of lots of blending, but of course I tried to condense it down for you guys. Also, sorry about my light being so bright. I know that you guys can't see as much until I like back up and move a little so the light isn't so intense. I will try to work on that. But as you can see, I'm just doing windshield wiper motions to make sure it's all blending together. And I'm going back in with the first fluffy brush that we used to put that pink in, and using that to blend everything together also. And like, you have to go back and forth with like each of them so it blends nicely and fades into each other. Just going back with each brush and each color that you used. And next we're going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and go in with that tealish blue color, and going to pack that all over our lid. I really liked all these colors together. I'm pretty sure I got inspired from an Instagram picture somewhere. All of my eyeshadow looks are pretty much inspired from Instagram or just things I've seen that I want to emulate with makeup in some way. But as you guys see, I'm just going back in with that purple and blending that with the blue. And now I'm going back in with that blue because, like I said, you want to go back and forth to make sure it blends together nicely. And you do this however many times you need to. Now I'm taking that small blending brush and going in with that dark blue. Well, it's not really dark, like a royal blue kind of. And putting that into our outer V. It's just to like intensify the look. This is what is going to kind of make it smoky looking. We'll start to make it smoky looking. We're also going to go in with a darker color after this. But just packing that dark blue in there, as you see, it's getting to be a more intense look. Now you guys see me taking the original blending brush we started with and just blending some more. You guys can do this however often you want, wherever you see fit. And I just realized I hadn't showed you guys the palettes I was using, but I will link them below. And you guys see me taking that second palette, going in with the dark blue into our outer V. Well, I suppose it's more of like a dark indigo color, whatever you guys think it is. But this is going to make the look even more smoky. Just blending some more. And taking that blue glitter, I'm going to put glitter adhesive on my eyeshadow first, and we are going to pack this glitter into the, I suppose, the inner half of our eyelid. Yeah, I'd say inner half, or some could argue that it was like a third, but we're just going to pack that glitter in. And of course, you don't have to add glitter if you don't want to. And you could even put the glitter on your whole lid if you want to. I just didn't want to do that. And as you can see, the eyeshadow faded a little bit towards the end, so I'm going back in with the blue to make the blue more vibrant. Now you guys see me taking the under eye concealer we use as our eyeshadow base under my eye, because we're going to put some eyeshadow down there, and we're putting that blue we used on our lid under the inner 2/3 of our eye and also in our tear duct. And we're going to put that second blue that we use, the second dark blue that we use, and then putting that on the outside, and then blending the blue with that second dark blue that we use to make it more intense. And now we're going in with our brow bone highlight. I just use like a champagne-y rose color. And now we're gonna blend that with the pink that we started with, just so the brow bone highlight isn't too intense. Now you guys see me applying my mascara, and I also apply my eyelashes, but I applied them off camera. I also applied the rest of my makeup off camera, as you guys can see. And me putting on my wig finishes off this look. And I realized after I recorded this video and my voiceover and editing that I did not record an outro for you guys. But thank you for watching this eyeshadow look, and I hope you guys subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.